We begin tonight with potentially dangerous weather as fire danger increases across the Front Range. We approach the 3-year mark since the Marshall Fire. Good evening, I'm Tori Mason and for Kelly Worthman. Thanks for joining us. That fire in December of 2021, one of the most devastating in state history, burning more than 1,000 homes and killing 2 people. Your reporter, Andrew Hopner, is in Boulder County tonight. Andrew, these current weather conditions certainly weighing on people's minds on the eve of the Marshall Fire's start.
Certainly worrying for a lot of people, Tori. The high winds starting here on the Boulder Overlook, it can just kind of pop out of my hand, and that's sort of what we've been getting. Nothing in the sense of 50+ mile-an-hour gusts, but a couple here and there as that wind starts to move in. And for many in this area, a big reminder and memory of what happened 3 years ago, almost to the day.
3 years ago, high winds turned a spot fire into something much worse. Last week, even the word of fire mitigation on Marshall Mesa worried locals.
It was so unusual, you know, to get fire this high up, and yeah, so it would, I think people would be concerned.
December 30th, 2021 was one of the most destructive days in Colorado history. For many in the Front Range, there's not much that separates them and someone who had firsthand experience in the fire. Now that includes our own CBS staff. John Mickle is the father-in-law of our own Jeff Todd. John and his wife lost their house 3 years ago Monday.
Quite honestly, there's a lot of things that linger. And I think there's a lot of people that are still suffering with what I guess would typically be called PTSD.
The hardest news of the day came at 11 o'clock.
He said, you know, I went over and checked in. My in-laws don't have a house anymore, and now they're going to be living with me in my basement for a while. So, yeah, it impacted people everywhere.
Was that the first time that you knew that the house was gone? Was Jeff saying it over the air?
Yeah.
As high wind warnings hit the Front Range Sunday night, the feelings returned as well.
People are nervous about it. You know, people are kind of like, ooh.
And the collective fear that still grips many, and a peace that was disrupted by the fire.
All of a sudden, all of that stuff changes in the course of a few hours, and now you know just how vulnerable everywhere is.
As mitigation measures occur, rebuilds continue, and the day itself is but a memory, felt acutely years later.
The community of people that have come back and rebuilt are much closer than we were before.
Now, while there is plenty of concerns going into Monday of dry ground and high winds, it's still going to be a day of remembrance, a continued rebuild, and of course the resilience of this community up here in the foothills. Just outside of Boulder, I'm Andrew Hopner, covering Colorado First.
Thank you, Andrew.